Hello everyone. Well, we're still on this journey together and I've decided to take a trip with a passport. I love journaling so much in my Hobnichi that I want to take something on the go with me. So let's check out the Midori Traveler passport. Let's set it up and get some ideas. All right, so here we go. The passport. And I also picked up some accessories to put in it. See this over here? I have a video coming out pretty soon about why that's like that. So stay tuned. All right, let's get back over here. So put some light on. There we go. All right. Okay, so here we go. So this is the Traveler's Notebook for all travelers who have a free spirit. This is from the Traveler's Company in Japan, and I got it in brown. Passport size. These are the connecting rubber bands. And I also picked up the zipper case that has 4 pockets in it. I like accessories with my stuff, so better believe that I'm going to be on Etsy looking to see what type of accessories are available for this, because I'm all about that. Okay. Oh, I don't want to open it. They package it so nice. So this has the cotton bag, leather cover, notebook refill blank, and spare rubber band. I think the spare rubber band is an orange, and I hope so, because I'll show you why. Okay. My dad would love something like this. He passed away, but oh, they do have an orange one. Yes. He would absolutely love it. All right, let's put all this to the side. Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's really nice. Love that. And this has a blank notebook paper. And I also love that it's orange. Okay, I gotta calm down. All right, so last week I actually picked up an additional notebook and a diary and a lined notebook. And I think I got a sticker book too. Did I get a sticker book? I have a sticker book here somewhere too, and it just has sticker paper. So if you're not a sticker person, you won't know what that means. So basically it just has sticker release paper. So you're able to put stickers on it, keep it in there, and then if you need to throw a sticker on your journal, you'll have one handy. I have it somewhere because I was playing around with stickers, so we'll go through that. Oh, I love this. And it's in good shape too. I know that they, sometimes they come a little jacked up because it is leather. And over time, this is going to, just get natural aging. Oh, it's going to be great. It's going to be great. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is take this out and put the orange one in. Hopefully it's that easy to put in. Yep, just as easy. There we go. And the reason I wanted the orange was because I picked up a Quaco. I picked up a Quaco Sport last week, specifically because I knew I was getting this journal. And it's such a cute pen, and it's going to be perfect. I have the one thing that I didn't buy when I bought everything here was the pen holder. I actually found a discounted one online. So I picked that up, and that should be here for the weekend. So yeah, it's going to be great. So let's go through how I'm going to be setting up these little journals. Okay, so here's just the regular date book. I think this is for 14 months. So yes, so this is a 14-month notebook planner with a world map and 48 blank pages, which is pretty cool. You can fit a lot in here. This is going to be fun. Considering this is a 14-month notebook planner, I think I'm going to date it starting June. Like, why would I start today? I don't think I want to start today. Do I want to start it today? Maybe I'll flip a coin and see what works. I mean, I could start it today. I think I'll start it for May. Why not? Okay, and then we have the extra bands. And these are plastic, which is interesting because this is fabric. The one that's in here is fabric. Okay, all right, well, we'll make it work. Oh, I see. Okay, so there, it's a rubber band all the way on the inside. Do you see that? This is just for the decorative component, I'm assuming. Okay. Take that back. That's not plastic. This is elastic. This one is plastic. Oh, it's a heart. Look at that. See? The universe is awesome. Okay, so it's been a couple days and I've been able to put it together and accessorize it a little bit. So I'm going to flip the camera around again and do a little flip through as to what I have in here. It's kind of fun. Okay, so here's the flip through. I have the orange elastic on here, and I also have an Alice in Wonderland charm that I picked up from a craft store. I love books, and Alice was a favorite of mine as a child. And what better for a passport-sized journal for adventures, right? All right, let's take a peek. So the first thing I have in here is the zipper pouch. We have a little teardrop. Okay, so the first booklet I have is my commonplace journal and field notes. And I have some Alice in Wonderland stickers on here. Are you catching a theme yet? Yeah. So how I have it set up is basically days of the week over here, and over here, notes. So over here is going to be highlights from my day, thoughts from my day, and over here is just going to be a brain dump of things that I want to remember, things that inspire me, things that maybe I want to revisit or look forward to. So we have a whole bunch of those made up, and then the second half of the book I haven't really touched yet. The other half of this plastic insert is a card insert, and I have two, Thankful, Grateful, Blessed, and A New Era for Me. Then we have another paper clip and another booklet. This is the planner and notes. It says, hello, I'm introverted, but will be willing to discuss books. I'll always be willing to discuss books. And this is the calendar. So I wanted to give this a go. It's for 14 months. I just wanted to see how I would interact with it. Towards the back, there are some empty pages. And it's just another way to highlight what's going on, what's on my schedule, a little more on the planning side. We have a little airplane paperclip, and this is the sticker release book. So this is my sticker book, and I love stickers. I love stickers, putting them on my planners, putting them on my journals, and I just think that they're so fun. And a sticker release paper, if you don't know, instead of carrying sheets and sheets and sheets of stickers, you peel a few off and you put them on here, and they're perfect. And you can peel them off and put them back on for when you need to use them. So you're able to take some favorites along with you, if that makes sense. Then I have my nightworms. I love their stickers so much, and I'm always putting them everywhere and sharing with people. So I said, why not put them in my sticker book? And then this is a Wonderland passport, which is perfect with my theme of Alice in Wonderland. And look at the pages. They're beautiful, lined with cards in pink. Just absolutely fabulous. And then I have the pen holder. Now, I know most people put the pen holder on the side like this, but I do something different. And I do it differently because it works for me. The pen that I have is a Kaweco, and this is a new edition. This is the Kaweco Sport in Orange, and it's filled with pondweed from Birmingham Pen Co. Love their ink so much. And it has a bronze clip on it. You can see that. Just lovely. I think it complements everything. So the way that I am going to be using this is like so. I'm going to be leaving the pen at the top. And I think I do this for a number of reasons. Number one, this is going to be placed inside of a handbag. The journal itself is going to be standing up. Therefore, my pen is going to be laying flat. I would much rather that than to have the pen like this. I don't feel it's secure. I don't feel it's safe. I think it may stick out just a little bit too much. I don't want to clip it on the front. So this is my decision for how I'm going to go forward with it. And we'll see how it works out. But I think it's really cool, and it's just a different way of setting up my planner. So let me know your thoughts. Do you love it? I do. Okay, everyone, that's it here from me. Let me know, do you like this setup? What do you love about the Traveler's Passport size journal? The portability, the accessibility, the accessories. Let me know in the comment section down below. And also, do you have any good tips for me, as well as any other good accessories? Thanks everyone so much for watching. I'm so glad that you're here. Make sure that you are filling those pens, taking your journals on the road with you, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, goodbye for now, and happy planning.